you guys are doing well. Oh my god, you guys. It's been like 1 week. We didn't post for like a week.
Yeah guys, so in today's video we are going to be talking about friendship in Germany. You know, actually we got a request, it's like a requested video, to do a video about how to make friends in Germany, like how do we go about friendship with
how
Germans?
It is with us. Do we really have German friends? So guys, let's get right on to the video. You guys, in Germany, friendship is like more like family, you know. It's like so important. Guys, let me tell you, I used to watch all these movies and everything, and then there will be two friends, and then something happens between them, you know, something small, and then they fight and everything, and I'm like, huh? What kind of friendship is this? You know, you guys, even the most simplest, smallest thing, like Germans, you guys, I don't understand you. Anyway, in friendship, like German friendship, there has to be like so much trust, you know. I mean, it's like that everywhere, but this one is serious, you guys. I'm telling you, it's like so serious. I don't even understand it myself. So yeah, you guys. So
you know, we also asked if we've got German friends. Yeah, we've got few of them. You know, like the little that we have, I think is enough. It's enough. I don't even want to make more. You know, because friendship with Germans requires a lot of time. It's
anstrenging.
You know, what is anstrenging in English? You know, it's a big job to be friends with German, you know, because you guys have to do a lot of things together. You know, you have to look like these hobbies that you guys will be doing together. You know, if it's like playing basketball, playing football, you know, you always have to go together. You always have to do appointment to go to the kino, to watch movie together, you know. It's
too much work. So you guys, you are friends with the German. Don't expect like when you go out that someone is going to pay for you. No, everyone pays for each other. Or if someone pays this week, the next round is you. You have to pay the other time.
It always have to be
balanced. If someone comes to your house and you order pizza, do you know that they give you back your money? They'll give you back like €5 or something.
You know?
No, or like whatever money.
They always try to pay half of it, you know.
Yeah, and you'll be like, you came to my house. I'm supposed to entertain you. You know.
You know, like for us, you know, I think it's even like a no-go.
This is not for all Germans, okay?
Yeah.
Not everyone. Some.
Yeah, some of them. Maybe the one we've encountered, you know.
Obviously.
Like for us back home, it's a no-go that somebody comes to your house and you order anything or you buy anything, and at the end,
they pay you.
They give you half of the money. You know, with time you understand. You know, they don't want to feel like they are taking advantage. You know, like for them everything has to be 50-50. Yeah, and I think we are becoming more German. Is good now. I think, and I now
life is supposed to be 50-50 because why am I spending my money on you? Why am I? You know, do you know that I work hard for my money? Like, why am I spending it on you?
For many Germans, friendship is all about trust, punctuality. You know, for Germans even to open up and be friends with you, you know, they must have studied you well, you know, and the trust must be the 100%. If not, they won't invite you in their house, you know. So if they even invite you in their house for dinner, to come, even for the least things, you know, then you know they trust you.
Special.
Yeah, then you are special, you know, and you have to honor also the time. If they say the dinner is at 1, you know, make sure you are there at 1, you know. And if they invite you like for dinner, it's not always good to just go empty-handed, you know. Like on your way, you can just get a bottle of wine, or if you have it home, or you can ask, you know. It's better to ask because they always ask, you know. Do you mind if they bring this, or is there anything you would like them to bring, or they can pass by their way and they get it from the supermarket or whatever, you know. They always try to like bring something, you know, not let everything weigh on one side like we do back home. If somebody invites you in the house, you know, I'm going to eat, you know. So here it's a little bit technical, you know, but at first you would think, it's a little bit, you know, the culture is different, but with time you get to understand everything more and more and more, and once you're Germanizing, you do it more, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So you guys, the thing is, I'm looking for a German friend. So if you're ready to be my friend and you're fun and you're German and you can support this, or I don't know, I'm taking his English, whatever. Write a comment down below and tell me that you want to be my friend, and I will be your friend.
We can eat dinner together.
We can have dinner, we can go for movies, we can do anything.
We can prepare African
he can
food
babysit, you know what I'm saying?
We can prepare African food.
We can prepare African food for you, you can prepare German food.
Yeah.
So you guys, if you are in Germany and you want to meet new people, you'll just be in the same situation with someone, like do like go for tennis, I mean hobbies, you know what I'm saying? Search for your hobbies and everything. You might find someone there who's got the same interest as you, and if you don't meet them there the first time, it doesn't mean that you will not meet them, because you guys, you know what, friendship takes time, and Germans have to study you, and like seriously, they have to see if you are worth to be their friend, and blah blah blah. Same as me, you know what guys, I think I'm now Gemini, because you know what, for me to be your friend, it has to take time, you know. I have to study you and everything, and you don't just become my friend like that, you know. You are special if you're my friend. So if my friends are watching this, you guys, you know. What do you have?
My daughter said she likes this tattoo here, and she did this, you know.
What was that?
She did it.
I was at work, you guys, I don't know.
Yeah, she did it. I've got a tattoo now.
Okay.
She was telling me, Papa, it's a love. I don't know what she was doing. Anyway.
She says a heart.
Yeah. You know, like you say, how do you ever say, if Jerusalem doesn't go to Israel, Israel will go to Jerusalem.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
But anyway.
They are like that, you know, so it takes time, and if you don't have that patience anymore, talk to them, you know, bring conversation and
conversation.
Conversation.
If you're watching this movie, I mean,
if
you're watching if you're watching this video and you're struggling, you know that I know the struggle. The struggle is
guys.
I'm also going through it. Okay.
The few that I have now is enough. You know, like I won't lie. I tell you that I want more German friends. No, I've got a few of them, and to be sincere, you know, if you have few, that's why I even understand now why Germans they don't have a lot of friends, you know, because
you have to keep up, you know,
you have to keep up, you have to entertain
your friendship. Like, I can't do that.
You know, it's not like if you guys have a meeting,
it's not like you'll be calling each other every time.
No, you just call to book appointment to meet, to do this, you know. It's not like they'll call.
Wait, I need to ask, why do I need to book an appointment to see my friends? Like, I don't understand this thing in Germany. You know, in Africa, you can just go to your friend's house or something.
Or just call that I'm coming.
Look for your friend.
No.
Or just call your friend and say, I'm coming right now.
Sure.
You know?
Yeah, they are busy, hello.
You know, people have to.
They work.
Hello.
You know,
do you have time or next week?
On weekend.
Hello.
You book 2 weeks before.
Are we not friends?
Yeah, it's just like
that.
Like,
I can just come to your house from nowhere and just clean you.
You know? And that's what
I was in the hood.
Yeah, but you know, you think at first, I've not got friends, I really want to make German friends, you know. By the time if you have them, you know, you'll be like, you know, it's not like, it's good, you know, they are good, they are the best, you know. When they are friends with you, there's no other thing. You won't even want to have any other family member who can take their place, you know, because they will be there for you anytime, in good and bad times, you know. They are there, you know. Just that you can't keep a lot of them, you know, because you have to entertain them, you have to do
a lot
of
I've
things,
noticed, you know? Germans, they are true friends.
Yeah.
So you guys, this is the end of the video, but you guys remember, German friendship takes time. You guys, it always takes time. Like forming a friendship always takes time, you know. Like whether you're whether you are in a new city or wherever, or new country or whatever, just know that friendship takes time, you know. But and also, you know, there's a language barrier,
like
you know. Yeah, so it obviously goes slower than what you planned. But you know what? Just be patient and trust the process. Because it's going to be fine. It's going to be okay. You're going to have the best friends ever.
Yeah,
so be patient.
You won't be lonely.
It will be worth it, and it's worth the effort.
Remember, the patience don't eat the fattest bone.
What?
The patience dog eats the fattest bone.
The patient dog eats the fate. The patient dog eats the. Wait, this saying is there's something wrong about it.
The patience dog eats.
The patient. There's a difference between patience and patient.
Absolutely, the patient dog eats the fattest bone.
Eats the fattest bone.
Yeah, that's what I said.
You guys, my English is getting bad. It's getting worse every day. So you guys, hope you guys subscribe to this video. Wait, don't forget to like this video. You guys, I know I'm hyper today. I don't know what I drank. I think I drank like a few shots.
I know why. She's got the rest of the week free.
You guys, I'm so happy right now.
That's why
you can even tell, I've got like so much energy. Like I'm so high.
She's got like more than 1 week free. I wish I was in your place.
Love you guys. Love you guys for subscribing to our channel. We really appreciate it. We might not be on so many subscribers like like everyone else, but the few we have, we appreciate them, and
thank you.
So see you guys in a dojo.